This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the earbuds and phone so the reset can complete reliably. Power both earbuds, charge to roughly 50%, that prevents interruptions, then remove any existing Razer Hammerhead pairing from your phone. Once done, leave both buds in the case and close the lid. Make sure the case has power. An uncharged case prevents the reset. If your case has a small button, have a thin tool ready. You'll use it in the next step to trigger the factory reset sequence. You now perform the actual reset by using the case button and the LED cues to confirm. Open the case and press and hold the pairing button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the earbuds to clear stored pairings. As you hold, watch the LEDs. Alternating or rapid flashing indicates the unit is erasing memory. Once you see that pattern, keep holding until it stabilizes, then release. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is off during this, so it cannot reconnect mid-reset. You finish by repairing and checking function. This confirms the reset succeeded. Close the case, wait 5 seconds, then reopen and turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Select Razer Hammerhead when it appears and complete pairing. If it won't pair, power cycle both earbuds and phone, then repeat the 10 to 15 second reset you used earlier. If problems persist, update firmware in the Razer app or try the reset again. Firmware mismatches or cached Bluetooth data are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.